Ever been mistaken for someone else and just went along with it? I was at a job fair, just tagging along with a friend when someone approached me, eyes full of hope, asking, "Is this where I apply for the marketing position?" I froze for a second, but saw the company rep badge hanging from my friend's bag. I looked back at the guy, and before I knew it, I said, "Yes, of course." I didn't know what I was doing, but the confidence came out of nowhere. I asked him for his resume, nodded along and said, "We're looking for someone exactly like you." The dude's face lit up, so I kept going. I made up a fake position called Brand Synergy Coordinator, something that sounded real but meant absolutely nothing. I went all in, asking him fake questions like, "How do you handle synergizing cross-platform innovation?" He gave me vague answers, and I acted like he was blowing my mind. I even gave him a follow-up task to send over some ideas by email. At the end, I shook his hand and said, "Welcome aboard. See you Monday." It was supposed to be a joke, but later I found out he actually showed up at the company I pretended to represent. He walked right in and confidently announced he was the new hire. Security got involved, and the real HR was baffled. They tracked me down through my friend and called me up, furious. But here's the twist. They were so impressed with the guy's guts and my creativity that they offered both of us real positions. He works in marketing now, and I'm in PR. Turns out, sometimes faking it really does make it.